Learn English with MU.
He has been in prison for 2 years. I haven't seen her since last year. I have had a headache since I woke up. The teacher has been lecturing for almost an hour. He has been a vegetarian since he was a teenager. I haven't spoken to her since our quarrel. They have known each other for over a decade. We stayed in Rome for 3 unforgettable weeks. I haven't had a proper vacation since 2019. I've been interested in music since childhood. They've been discussing the issue for ages. We've been working together for 5 months. The kids were at the park for the whole afternoon. I've been watching that show since the first season. I've been learning French since the start of the year. The museum has been open to the public for a decade. He played professional football for a decade before retiring. We've been talking since we met at the conference. He has been working at the company since 2008. It has been raining for more than 4 days. My friend has been ill for a long time. I haven't seen my school friends for ages. I've felt more confident since I started practicing public speaking. He stayed at his friend's place for a while after moving to the city. She hasn't eaten anything since morning. He stayed in bed for 3 days when he was sick. It has rained without interruption for 3 days. She has been feeling tired since the weekend. You haven't emptied the rubbish bin since last week. I haven't bought a new dress for months. Lisa and Jill have been at the library for a long time. How many times have you been late since the beginning of the term? That lady has been waiting for the bus since noon. We haven't played basketball since they closed the gym for repairs. How long has it been since you visited your grandparents? I haven't seen her since the accident. We've It has rained without interruption for 3 days. We've been working on this project for 2 months. The organization has expanded significantly since it was founded. I haven't had so much fun since I was in high school. I haven't been able to exercise for the last 2 months. Have you known about this for a long time? We have had a lot less work since Jim got hired. She will be in the office for 2 hours. I have been on a diet for such a long time. They have been thinking of adopting another dog for years. Several weeks have passed since they have spoken. We have been thinking of adopting another dog since last year. Due to the accident, the street has been closed since just after 9 o'clock. Cougars have almost disappeared from the Victoria area since humans settled here. If you found this video helpful, please like and share the channel. Thank you for watching.